I get it. Many people are seeking financial freedom, rightfully so. That's like one of the hierarchies of needs that you want to knock out. But you need to be aware and be mindful of all of the ways that people try to extract your money. Scams are getting prettier and prettier. And, I want to give you my perspective of one that just rolled across my desk that I don't feel is, legitimate. But I want to give you a solution at the same time so that way you're in position so you don't get caught slipping like I've been caught before. With BG Wealth Sharing, they call it slipping. This one is called MoneyFlare. You may or may not be familiar with it, but I'm going to go over what it's saying and then give you a solution so you can position yourself to get money out of the market without relying on some perfect bot that presents itself as the right solution and guarantees success, but also has some other nuances in there that you need to be aware of. So let's dive into this. MoneyFlare came across my desk. Beware, be mindful, but be proactive in the solution that I'm going to provide for you. So, MoneyFlare, it basically introduces itself as a fully automated AI crypto quant trading for smarter trading execution. Pretty site. It says no experience needed. Let advanced AI and expert strategies work for you, supporting smarter trading while you focus on what matters. Saying all of the right things. It shows the items that it trades. Start coin trading, 3 easy steps. Create your account. Get started. Start in minutes. Savings, 100 investment. So it's showing different things. And you choose your AI trading plan. So what it goes on to say is that it monitors daily results and showing you that you're going to get daily money. So the system is designed to operate automatically, allowing users to view daily trading results and account updates in real time. But we know that can be fabricated. We know that that could be manipulated, especially if you don't control access to the funds. Very important to note. Start AI automating trading today, and they make it real simple. So get started with a suitable quant trading plan. And here are the trading plans that you need to be mindful of, and pay attention to the subtle things that are shown and shared on these type of sites so you can have an understanding of what you're getting yourself into. I get it. People want ways to make money and provide a better outcome or a better lifestyle for their family, and they're willing to try any and all things. But everything that look good ain't good, as they always say. But I want you to pay attention to some of the details. But more importantly, I want to provide you with a solution that can put you in a position to understand how to get money out of the market versus looking for the next thing that's going to trade for you. I have a systematic set of rules that I've gotten access to that's helping me learn, oh, this is what I need to do in order to get money out of the market. If you can count to 4 and you know your colors, the system that I'm going to share can assist you. But let's talk more about MoneyFlare. Now, it says this. It says that you can start with $50 and the daily return is 50 cents. Total return, 50 cents. Referral reward, 0. Principal refund, yes. So let's a person start for $50. And the daily trial plan basically uses a $50 credit, 24-hour profit payout. So every day they get a payout, 50 cents is what it's saying. But I want you to pay closer to the progressionary plans that exist. $100, you get a daily return of $4. So that's like 4% a day, which is pretty significant. And the person may look at it like, $100, I get $4 a day. I double my money by this day. I get it. Total return, $8 over the course of 2 days. Referral reward, $4. So you get a referral reward at this level. Let's keep going. If you invest $580, daily return, $12.70. Total return, $50.80. Referral reward, $23.20. So it's a short amount of time that they're saying that you're going to have your money in there so you can get a certain return over that time frame and be able to withdraw your principal. That's what it's saying. But I need you to pay attention to the referral reward that comes with higher tickets, because what they're looking at is, or what I'm looking at is, the more you invest, of course, they're saying it's a higher return, but you also get the perk of a referral reward. So that's when you have to ask the question, is the trading what makes the money, or is the commissions or the investment that people make into the platform what they pay people out of? If they pay people out of the money that comes in, then that's a questionable scenario, especially when it comes to trading. If they're getting money out of the market, then you have to be very wary of that, because that can lead you down the path of destruction, down the path of you not being able to get access to your funds. I know from personal experience. So that being said, if you want to position yourself to get money out of the market from trading, you need to be able to position yourself to control where the funds are deposited. If you deposit here, you're literally putting it in their wallet. You literally have to go through whatever their measures are in order to get it out. I get it. It's certain platforms that exist like that from a legal standpoint, but this right here sounds a little fishy. Now, I could be wrong. I've been wrong before, but I want to position you to something that is more controlled by you. You're learning the skill set, because once you know a skill set, that's something that cannot be taken from you. If this does not survive, then it's a total loss if you wasn't learning how to do it. It's telling you it's fully automated, fully managed. You don't have to worry about setting up anything. They just basically want to control the funds. You put the funds in, you're good to go. Now, it could be something that comes along that actually is a good thing that works, that's functional, that actually solves a problem. I don't believe this is it, but I really want you to understand that the best investment, the best opportunity is you. You are your best opportunity, not some other platform that promises daily returns and commissions associated with. And they know how to say all of the right things. Designed for beginners, AI powered trading experience, fast and easy transactions, fully managed AI trading. But are they showing it from an angle of teaching it so you can understand? And even though it says transparent earnings, track your daily results and transaction history with full transparency and no hidden fees, that can be manipulated as well. 24/7 dedicated support, advanced security protection, top tier algorithms, smarter strategies. Sounds good. Sounds good. And then they're showing withdrawals. People withdrawing large amounts. This definitely can be manipulated as well. They're showing big withdrawals, and it's basically saying invest without the guesswork. Listen, this leaves you powerless in terms of you understanding how to trade for yourself and understanding that you have to develop the skill set, and that makes you an irreplaceable asset for your family. What you want is access to a systematic way to know when to buy or sell when it comes to trading. And it's not ever going to be 100% success rate with anything. But if you can get yourself to where you have an 80% success rate, high probability, and remaining profitable, that's what you want. And that's the solution that I want to share with you. It's an option if you want it. But I'm telling you, this is something that has allowed me to overcome getting bamboozled or tricked by a platform very similar that promised daily rewards and guaranteed profits and had a commission plan attached to it. But now I'm understanding the game of trading for myself so I can know how to get money out of the market myself, so that way I can help others and have a skill set that makes me an asset. And you should want the same for yourself. Let's dive into the things that give you that system. This is the system that shows you when A+ setups show up in the market and when it's the better time to hit buy or sell. The market only goes up and down, and then of course the time is, the direction that it's heading. But A+ setups happen all the time across multiple tickers, whether you're trading Bitcoin, whether you're trading the NASDAQ, whether you're trading silver, gold. It happens all the time. You just need a system that can point it out no matter where it happens, so you can have A+ setups day to day, week to week, month to month, year to year, and you become the asset. So what does an A+ setup look like with our system? Basically, an A+ setup is when you see all green signals. I'll show you in real time what that looks like. But basically, you're looking for a green buy signal that says, hey, buy. A green bullish bias, you'll see that in the corner, and it'll say, hey, the daily bias for today is bullish, meaning that it's likely to go up during this time frame. A green trend bar, just saying it's trending in the direction of your preference of what the signal gave you. The signal said buy, you want a green trending bar. And then a green power line. This shows that it's momentum, money in the market that can help push it in the direction that you want it to go. If all four of those things present themselves, hit buy. It lets you know the entry line. It lets you know where it's a good place to take profit 1, 2, and 3, and a place to set a stop loss in the event that it does not go in your favor. That's systematic, and it's really, easy to observe because it pops up on the screen at the time that it presents itself. A+ sell setup is pretty much the reverse of the buy setup. Red sell signal, red bearish buys, red trend bar, green power line saying that there is momentum and money in the market. If all four of those things present themselves, you hit sell. Then it'll give you your stop loss, your take profit 1, your take profit 2, take profit 3. And it's that simple. If you can observe those things, then you can position yourself for profits. And then you can close out the transaction when you deem necessary. And once you get to where you're trading with real money, because you can start off practicing with the demo or paper trading, you withdraw the money on your terms based on the account that you set up, not something someone else is controlling. That's very important and a very significant difference in some of the opportunities that present themselves. I'm going to start sharing the ones that come across my desk so you can protect yourself if you're already involved, but more importantly, position yourself so that you understand how to get money out of the market and knowing that you can do it because this system positions you to do it. So let's look at a real chart in real time and how these opportunities present themselves. Whether buy or sell, you'll know when it's a good opportunity to hit buy or sell and take profits. Let's go. All right, so y'all getting to see a sale in real time. I was going to do a replay, but when I went into the market, I saw an opportunity. So I'm going to actually hit sell, and I'll tell you why. I just want you to see it in real time, what's going on. And then depending on how long the video is, I'll close it out. Long story short, the things that you're looking for, remember, A+ setups represents all of the things matching. Right now, saying the daily bias is bearish. That means you're looking for a sell signal. Guess what? We got a sell signal not too long ago. And there's the red signal, but it says confirmation sell. That means that these two things match. But we also want two other things to match. Do we have the trending bars in the red direction? Absolutely. Those are the trending bars saying that it's trending in the downward direction. We also have a green power bar. The green power bar is basically saying, hey, this stock is likely to go down. And guess what? In a short amount of time, I'm up $85. It's that simple. A person can say, you know what, I want to go ahead and take these profits. Or they can look and say, okay, it's likely to go down to the take profit 1. Let me wait until I get there and take profits. It's likely to go to take profit 2. Let me wait until I get there. But we recommend at least securing some money at the take profit 1. But it also has a built-in stop loss. You can't see it quite much, but SL, that's stop loss. If it ever goes in the negative direction, you want to position yourself to take or stop the loss from happening. This is MENQ, which is the mini NASDAQ, a platform that, allows you to trade the mini version of the NASDAQ so you don't lose as much money in the event the trade doesn't go in your direction. But this is also the 5-minute chart. So each bar represents 5 minutes. I haven't been in this trade for 2 minutes yet, but it's already in profit and I can close out. For the sake of this video, I will, but I just want to show you how this system works. If you press buy and sell based on an A+ setup, you can position yourself for profit strategically. Let's close out this position. Secured, I think it was like $120. And you saw that was only in 2 or 3 minutes. 2 or 3 minutes. Now, this is no guarantee. This is not financial advice. Yes, it could go down here to the take profit 1. I believe it will. However, it's a green box right there that it could bounce off of. And, it may not push through right away, or it may. But I just want you to see the power in having a system that tells you when to buy and sell. I literally just finished recording that last portion, came over here, saw opportunity, recorded it live, hit sell. In 2 minutes, $100, $120 was made. Now, this is a demo account, but I just want you to see the power in having a system that lets you know when to buy and sell. Now, there is going to be some learning curves, but you have a community. You have a group of individuals who are also making money using the system. Some people make $1,000 a day. I've seen somebody make as high as over $60,000 in a day. That's not a guarantee, but it's potential in this tool set. You just want to get good at figuring out, okay, what is my daily goal? I don't care if it's $10 a day. Based on your account size, that may be pretty significant, but it's all a matter of you using what is available to you. We got A+ setups that present themselves. You get notified. If you see 1, 2, 3, and 4 things that match based on the chart I showed you previously, you can hit buy or sell. It even lets you know when it's a good entry point. This yellow line was a good entry point. So if a person got in here, they could have made a decent amount of money because right now it's in this area. They could have made a decent amount of money in that time. I got in a little later and it still showed up, to be over $100 in a 2-minute time frame. And I closed the trade out for the sake of this video. But this is something that you can do. You just have to tap into it. If you want access to this tool, it's a link available below. But be mindful, be careful, but be proactive when it comes to these platforms that make these bold promises without giving you the power, the strength, or the education so you can fish for yourself instead of letting somebody fish for you. Because if you give somebody the ability to feed you, you also give them the ability to starve you. Mr. Smith signing out. Tap in with the link down below if you want access to this tool. Salute.